anything on your drawing area, just press double click this one. Double press the scroll. Or you can find ZA. Or you can press ZA or zoom on. If you didn't see anything, double click this one or ZA. Now let's go to the first one. Align dimension. So actually, first of all, no, dimension can be found on your annotate tab. This one. Huh? All this. Again, sir. Now it's okay? Okay. I was talking about the dimension types, or the types of dimension can be found on your annotate tab here. But you don't need to go here. I will tell you why. Just stay in your architectural tab. Okay. Let's press DI. See, all of them will appear. Yeah. So for the first exercise, let's use, okay, I believe you changed already the wall center line and individual references now. So let's add measurement here. 1, click, 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 and put it somewhere up here, and then click again. That's how to place measurement. Okay. So now for this one, would you place measurement here? Done. So for this one, what you notice for this one? The measurement is actually taken from the face, no, not from the wall, not wall center line, no. So from this one, instead of individual, no, sorry. Instead of wall center line, change to wall faces. Okay, so now it will snap in the wall face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. And then click somewhere and click one more to place it. Done. When you place, actually, I not really a mistake, but I was able to place the measurement a little bit far from the object, no. So you can still modify it. So you can click on that and place your cursor near to this line, and then you can drag it. That. Okay. I guess you know the difference between aligned and nonlinear, so I don't need to explain that. Okay. So, but let's talk about exercise number 3 for the linear dimension. Okay, let me just explain to you this linear dimension, the exercise number 3. Okay, what do you notice here? The measurement is taken from the wall faces and the center of an opening, no? So let's do this way. DI. Okay. Before you place it, for the pick, okay, then we have an option there to make entire walls. Okay, so it's taken from the wall faces. It's okay. We're going to pick the entire walls. Can you click this option as well? Click this option. Opening centers. Okay, so that's what we want for now. Press OK. Let's click this entire wall. Okay. So when you move it somewhere here, it will snap also, no? And then click. This kind of a shortcut, no? So it's taken from the wall faces and it measures the center. That's it, yeah? Okay, so let's just press another DI. We will still be needing the wall faces and entire walls. Let's just click this option. Let's just explore it. This time, let's call it width. Let's select width. It will measure the opening, no? So click the entire walls and place it a little bit up. So in your project, which one is better, no? Are you going to measure the wall or the opening or the center is enough? Now, do you notice this clashing here? Do you notice that clashing here? You can click on this measurement and look for that small line or a small dot. You can click and drag so you can put it a little bit up like this. Yeah. Yeah. So when we are giving drawings, no, we must be our drawing must be clear, yeah, because we are giving instruction. And if the instruction is not clear, then there's a big chance of making a mistake on site. Okay. Okay, so this one is clear, no? So let's move on to angular. Angular measure, we need to measure the angle, that's it. Huh? For the angular, we notice this one, there is no shortcut. So do you need to go to this annotate tab? No. No need to go there. Just press DI. We all know that DI is for align, no? But when we press DI, we can easily find this angular. Yeah. So angular. So just measure this one and this one. This one and that one. Okay. Now let's measure radial. So same procedure, DI. But watch out here, okay? Radial. Okay, so let's measure radial. Okay, the measurement is taken from the wall face. Okay, so it's good that you have selected wall faces here. So you just have to click the wall face. Okay, and then another click. This one. And for this exercise number 2, This 600 is taken from the wall center line. Okay. Do you need to change all the time here? Wall faces, wall center line? No. Watch out here. No? Place your cursor here. Once making a radial, press tab. So no need to change all the time. Okay, so this one must be center line and like that. Okay, so just move it away. It's actually blocking the wall. Just modifying something. Okay. Next. This one, this one. Okay. Now, for the arc length, no shortcut again, no problem. DI. Okay, arc length. Okay, so this is how to make an arc length. Huh? First, measure the arc itself. Click. And measure the two ends. Click the two ends as well. 1 and then 2. Okay, so let's move on. Spot elevation. Spot elevation. So by looking at it, it's a stair, no? Open 3D view, spot elevation here. This one. 3D view, spot elevation. Arc length. For the arc length, okay, DI, arc length. Select first, click the arc first. And click the two ends. 1 and then 2. And for the exercise number 2, it's making a problem. No? That's why I deleted it, by the way. But let's try arc length. So here and it's making a problem. That's why. No problem. It's okay. Let's move on for the spot elevation. So let's open a 3D view spot elevation. Okay, so spot elevation has a shortcut, by the way, EL. EL. Okay, so let's start with this one. Press EL. 1, second click, third click. So if you're going to notice this one, no? So if the ground is 0, this is already at 8. So probably this is the second floor or whatever. So EL, see, by looking at it, of course, this is higher than the floor. See, it's like that. When you are going to place it one by one, see, and this is this at the highest. So yeah, so you can easily define what is the level. No? So you can do like this. So the riser is a little bit weird actually, no? So the first step is 8179. So the riser is like 179. Okay. Let's now go back to this lesson number 3. And what's the next one? Spot coordinate, the northing and easting. So definitely this will have 2 different reading, no? Okay. Spot coordinate, no shortcut, no problem. Just press DI. You will find spot coordinate there. Yeah? Click. So this point, 1, 2, and 3. So that is the northing and the easting. So actually, placing the in Revit, we also place the correct northing and easting of a building, no? So when you are going to, let's say you want to know this coordinates, it will show you the correct value. No? So this is just an example fast. And placing the correct location of the building in Revit is actually not your work, no? If in case you're going to work as a BIM modeler, it's not your task, no? This is actually a task of a higher personnel in Revit, no? The BIM manager or the coordinator. Okay. Spot slope, no? So spot slope. So let's open a section spot slope here. Spot slope here. So it's actually a very, very long ramp. This is a ramp, by the way, no? If you're going to click it here. So spot coordinate, I mean spot slope, no shortcut, DI. So spot slope is here. So it has 8.3 slope and this one no slope, 8.3. Click. Click. Okay, for lesson number 4, we're going to skip it, the placing a level and a grid, because we're going to do it when we are going to model the building. Let's go lesson number 5. Open this 3D view. So you will find a small, I can say an office, yeah. 3D view, yeah. Sit. Okay, now, so you see this small house as well, sir? Let's go to the place here, here, floor plan. Placing a section, elevation, and a call out. Again, what you need to press when you didn't see anything on the drawing area? If you didn't see anything, what do I need